Hello students, welcome back to my new video. Last class we start chapter 1, that means chapter set. Already you learned what is called set. সংহতি কাক কোৱা হয় তোমালোকে অলৰেডি শিকিছা. So today I am going to start next topic, that means a very important topic from set. The topic is the empty set, that means অসমীয়া ৰিক্ত সংহতি. The empty set, ৰিক্ত সংহতি. Okay, what is empty set? A set which does not contain any element is called a empty set. Again, a set which does not contain any element is called empty set. Okay, a set which does not contain any element is called empty set. অসমীয়া এটা সংহতি যি কোনো ধৰণৰ মৌল, আকৌ এবাৰ কৈছো অসমীয়া, এটা সংহতি য'ত কোনো ধৰণৰ মৌল নাথাকে তাক ৰিক্ত সংহতি বোলা হয়. ৰিক্ত সংহতি কাক বুলি শুনি লোৱা, এটা সংহতি য'ত কোনো ধৰণৰ মৌল নাথাকে তাক ৰিক্ত সংহতি বোলা হয়. ফৰ এক্সাম্পল, এটা এক্সাম্পল লোৱা, মানে ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা তুমি কি বুজি পালা যে কোনো ধৰণৰ মৌল নাথাকিলেও তাক কি কোৱা হ'ব, সংহতি কোৱা হ'ব. ফৰ এক্সাম্পল, সাপোজ capital A is equal to x such that x belongs to n, that means x belongs to n, that x belongs to capital N means x eta স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যা, x is a natural number. X belongs to n and 1 less than x less than 2. So ইয়াতে তুমি কি বুজি পাবা, x belongs to n, that means x eta স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যা, x is a natural number. 1 less than x less than 2 means x is a natural number, greater than of 1 and less than of 2. How is possible? 1 আৰু 2 মাজত কোনো স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যা আছে নেকি? 1 আৰু 2 মাজত কোনো natural number আছে নেকি? It is impossible. There is no natural number. Okay, so this is empty set. This is empty. This is empty. Okay, now one important point. This is note. A empty set is denoted by 5. This is called 5. This is called 5 or curly bracket. A empty set, a empty set is denoted by 5 or curly bracket. এটা ৰিক্ত সংহতি 5 or curly bracket এর বুঝোৱা হয়. এটা ৰিক্ত সংহতি 5 or curly bracket এর বুঝোৱা হয়. 5, this is 5. This is called 5. 5 is nothing. This is just a symbol, and this symbol mathematicians are used for empty set. 5 is nothing, just a symbol, and used for the empty set. Okay. Now is also empty. Both are same. This is empty, this is empty. Okay. Suppose a question 1. Question is 5 empty? এইটো এই সংহতিটো ৰিক্ত সংহতি হয়নে? Is 5 set 5 empty set? Answer no. No, this is not empty. We know 5 is empty set, but this is not empty. This is empty, but this is not. Because this is a set, this is a set, and 5 is the element of this set. 5 is the one element of the set. Okay? 5 is the one element of the set. So this is not empty set. This is empty. This is empty. This is empty, but this is not. Another question, question 2. How many elements? How many elements of 5? How many elements of 5? Obviously, you know, there is 0 element. There is 0 elements. No doubt. Okay. Another question, question number 3. How many elements of 5? How many elements? Simple. There is one element. This is not empty set. This is not an empty set. This is a set. And number of elements of this set is 1. Okay, so I hope you understood empty set. What is empty set? Again, finite and infinite. Finite and infinite set. Again, another important thing. Finite and infinite set. Important also. What is finite set and what is infinite set? অসমীয়াত হলে এটো কি হ'ব? হকিম। হকিম আৰু অসীম হকিম আৰু অসীম সংহতি। তোমালোকৰ কিতাপ টেক্সট বুক আছে, টেক্সট বুকত চাব পাৰা। What is finite and infinite? So listen, a set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite set. Again, a set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite. Otherwise it is infinite. infinite set. Otherwise, it is infinite set. অসমীয়া এটা সংহতি যি ৰিক্ত নাইবা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সংখ্যক মৌলৰে গঠিত বা মৌল থাকে তাক সসীম সংহতি বলা হয়, অন্যথায় তাক অসীম সংহতি বলা হয়। মই আকৌ ৰিপিট কৰিছো, তোমালোকে নামটো চালে বুজি পাবা। ফাইনাইট এণ্ড ইনফাইনাইট। Finite means a definite number of fixed number of elements, and infinite means there is no fixed number of elements. It is just continue. So, অসমীয়াত আকৌ ৰিপিট কৰিছো, এটা সংহতি যি ৰিক্ত নাইবা য'ত নিৰ্দিষ্ট সংখ্যক মৌল থাকে তাক সসীম সংহতি বলা হয়, অন্যথায় তাক অসীম সংহতি বলা হ'ব। A set which is empty or consists which is empty, that means a empty set is also a finite set, consists of a definite number of elements is called finite, otherwise it is infinite. For example, suppose a set capital A is equal to small a, small b, small c. This is a finite set because there is definite number of elements. How many elements? There are 3 elements. There are 3 elements. Number of elements of a set. Number of elements of a set is denoted by Na. Na means number of elements of a set. এই সংগঠিত থকা মৌলৰ সংখ্যা বুজা হ'ব Na is equal to 3. This is finite. Again, one example for infinite set. Suppose capital N set 1, 2, 3, 4. This is infinite set. Dot dot. This is infinite set. This is set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. That means set of natural number. স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যার সংহতি, স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যার সংহতি ক্যাপিটাল N এর দ্বারা বোঝা হয়। Set of natural number is denoted by capital N. Set of natural number is denoted by capital N. So this is finite and infinite set. Now we are going to start another important topic from set. This is empty set, sorry, equal set, not empty set, equal set, সমান সংহতি। সমান সংহতি, equal set. Equal set. What is equal set? What is equal set? Okay. Suppose capital A and capital B be two set. If every element of capital A is also element of capital B, as well as every element of capital B is also element of capital A. This is called equal set. That means A is equal to B. তুমি এনেকৈ ক'ব পাৰা that two sets capital A and capital B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same number of elements. They have exactly same number of elements. Two sets capital A and capital B are said to be equal set if they have same number of, if they have exactly, this is important word, exactly the same number of elements. Same number of elements. Okay. Two sets capital A and capital B are said to be equal set if they have exactly the same number of elements. ये होगा इनको same elements belongs करेगा. Same number of elements or same elements. Same number of elements and same elements. Same elements. Both are to be satisfied. That means number of elements same होगा, that is elements are also same होगा. That is, we can write A is equal to B. A is equal to B. We can write A is equal to B. Document খুলি লোৱা. দুটা সংহতি ক্যাপিটাল A আৰু ক্যাপিটাল B সমান সংহতি কোৱা হ'ব যদি হিয়তে একে সংখ্যক মৌল আৰু একে মৌল অন্তৰ্ভুক্তি কৰে. অন্তৰ্ভুক্তি কৰে. ওকে. কি হ'ব লাগিব? মৌলৰ সংখ্যাও একে হ'ব লাগিব আৰু মৌলবোৰো কি হ'ব লাগিব? একে হ'ব লাগিব. For example, capital A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to C, B, A, D. Here, number of elements. Number of elements of A is 4. Number of elements of B is 4. And same elements A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Therefore, A is equal to B. Therefore, A is equal to B. Okay. Now, we take another example which is not equal set. Another example which is not equal set. For example, capital A is equal to A, B, C. B is equal to C, B, D. C, B, D. Here you see same number of elements. That means number of elements of A, number of elements B, both are same. But elements are not same. That means A belongs to capital A, but A does not belong to capital B. That means A not is equal to B. Simple. কি হ'ব লাগিব? Every element of A are also element of B, and every element of B are also element of কি হ'ব লাগিব? A. Capital A প্ৰতিটো মৌল capital B থাকিব লাগিব. Capital B প্ৰতিটো মৌল কি থাকিব লাগিব? Capital A থাকিব লাগিব. This is equal set. I hope you understood. Today we learned three important topics from set. One is the empty set, another is finite and infinite set, and finally we learn equal set. The three important topics. Okay, thank you.